Hey there guys, welcome to this little tutorial video brought to you by Massey-Lee Gaming. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install RusMap for ProMods. Let's get into the video. So what you want to do is you want to go into the description or open up your web browser, type in promods.net/view topic dot. So yeah, just type in that or go into the description and it'll bring you to a page that will look like this. Then you can either download them individually or you can just get the one part download, which will put it into a zipped folder. So bear in mind you do need WinRAR or 7-zip to unpack it as well. Also you're going to need the road connection as well, so download that. So once you have downloaded that, you want to come onto your downloads. So it'll be in your downloads, but I'll put mine on my desktop. Then you right click on here, extract to RusMap, let it all extract. Should be 4 files in there. So if you are liking this video guys and you think it's helpful, please give it a good thumbs up, share this video out. Also subscribe, turn on notification bells, and also go and check out Massey-Lee Gaming on Twitch, where I stream most days. And also yeah, so once you've done that, you dragged it onto your desktop, double click into the folder, you got 4 files here, highlight them, drag them onto your desktop, come out of that. So you bear in mind you do need to have the game shut down to put any mods in. So you go into your documents, Euro Truck Sim, mods, drag them in. It's going to tell me to replace, yes. Also the ProMods road connection. Once you've done that, you can delete them. So we're going to load up Euro Truck Sim now. Then go to Mod Manager. So we've got ProMods load order here and the Middle Eastern. If you do want to know the load order, there will be a card in the top right hand corner or the left hand corner. So click on that and it will bring you to this video for the load order. So find RusMap, so you're looking for RusMap models. Models 2 and map and def. Then I forgot the road connection. So then you go road connection there. So road connection, then all that. Once that's all loaded, okay, press continue. This is going to take a little bit more extra time because you added in a new mod or an extension pack for Euro Truck Sim. Just click it, let it do its thing. Now we'll come back. So there we go guys, it's loaded up correctly, didn't crash. If yours crashed then you didn't put it in the correct load order, then you had to go back and start over again. So yeah, if yours has loaded up correctly, then go down here to world map, scroll over to the right, there's Middle East, scroll up a little bit more, got Russia map here. So yeah, thank you for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, turn on notification bells to see more videos, and yeah, thanks for watching, bye for now.